How's it going, YouTubers? If you have one of these electric razors, and even though you charge it up fully, it's just really sluggish, where it's not snappy like that, where it just feels fully charged, or it's not even coming on at all, after you've charged it up properly and whatnot. It probably needs some thorough cleaning on the blades in here. So, you can either remove this head with a small Phillips screwdriver, and this will need cleaning inside there. You're going to need a small brush. Most of these come with a little brush like this that you can clean out, but you may need to clean it a little more thoroughly. You might have to clean it, with some compressed air. And that should help a good bit. But beyond that, after you clean and move all debris and hair buildup or whatever's inside these blades here, get you some sort of light lubricant. They make little oils and lubricants for razors like these. I actually went down into my shop and pulled out some regular old bicycle synthetic chain lube. I just happen to have this actually, but there's all kinds of different oil lubricants you can use that are light, very light oil. You don't want anything thick or heavy. Then you need to oil these blades periodically. And I just did this on mine, and this one was, was acting up a little bit. I would charge it fully, and it would just be really sluggish. It'd be like like it wasn't charged, even though it was. So I did some cleaning, did a little bit of oiling on it, and she is at full power now, full speed, as it should be. Working much better. This is a Wall brand, which I think I got it at probably Walmart or something. It was not very expensive, but any of these electric razors, they just need a little bit of maintenance from time to time. I also have a Braun, which also has a removable head on it, and same deal. The blades get built up in it, and they just need regular cleaning. And the better you can keep it clean, the longer they'll last, and the less frustrating they'll be. Anywho, hopefully that'll help you out. Check out our other videos. We always got stuff going on in this place. Working on stuff around the house, out in the yard, on vehicles, motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, product reviews, stuff. We're always doing stuff. So like, subscribe, follow, and hopefully you'll like what we have to offer if it helps you out. So y'all have a good day. We will see y'all soon.